Hey everybody, it's Sheila from Designs of a Babymoon, and I just wanted to say Facebook's making things a little hard to find in any group. So what I'm going to be doing from now on is posting a file that I upload as a freebie for you a couple of different ways. So I've called this video, "Where is that file?" So let's go over to the Babymoon group, and I will show you what I mean when I say I'm posting this a couple of different ways. So in the Babymoon group, we're waiting for the internet because all my kids are awake and they're all using the internet and it's spring break here. So in the Babymoon group, this morning I uploaded a file, this Lucky Charm freebie, and I've had to edit this a couple of times. So I uploaded the file, and then I uploaded a photo for you of what the file is. So the file is here under this, in this post. It says Lucky Charm freebie is at this Dropbox link, so you can download it right here. Save it to your computer or to your Google Drive or your Dropbox or wherever you store embroidery files. I really don't recommend that people store embroidery files on their computers because, as many of you know, your computer hard drive is at best unreliable and can fail at any moment without any warning. So I keep my embroidery files in a couple of different places. I pay for storage on Google Drive, and I also pay for storage on Dropbox because I've collected quite a few of embroidery files over the years, and also because now I'm designing embroidery files and it's part of my business, so I don't want to lose anything. So I have a double backup. And I figure if something happens to Dropbox, the internet will be bad. Something will be bad. If something happens to Google, there's bigger issues than where are my embroidery files. And so I don't know that if something happened to Google, we would really be worrying about our sewing machines or embroidery. So that's where I keep my stuff right now. And I do have a virtual copy of Google Drive on my computer, but and as Dropbox as well. But I keep those there too, and which means that when I'm working on a different device, maybe on my iPad or somewhere else, I always have access to my files. So even if I'm not on my computer, I have access to my files anywhere I can log on. So anyway, this file is at the Dropbox link, and then in the file with the picture, I had to edit it, and I posted the link to that post, to that Dropbox post, in the comments here. So Cynthia, I'm glad you said something because it made me really think through this whole process. So Gail commented, Cynthia commented, and I just posted this link here for you. So when you click on this link, it will take you to that other post with the Dropbox link when the internet works. So here it comes. I really got to change that cover. It's bugging me. I thought it was fun when I started, but I don't think it's fun anymore. So I'm going to work on that. But it should be coming up right here on the screen, right in front of you. Any minute now. There it is. So here's the link, and you can just click and download it from here. And let me show you what happens. So I'm going to click on it just so you can see. I clicked on the link. It's clicking over to Dropbox. And if you need a Dropbox account, it's free, and you can store up to, it's quite a bit of space. Embroidery files, when they're zipped, are not that big, so you can store zipped embroidery files on there. Okay, it says the zip files can't be previewed. That's fine. I don't want to preview it. And then this is going to save it to my Dropbox. Here it comes. Here it comes. I should have done this before my kids were awake. They all just got awake. Okay, so here's a download button, and I can download it. And then, oh, I can see people on it. Hi, everybody. That's kind of cool. I haven't ever done this before from this end of it. So then I could download it to wherever I want to keep it. So this is actually Google Drive. I could put it back on the Google Drive, which is where I had it in the first place, and then put a new copy there. So anyway, I just thought you might find that helpful, and let me know. And maybe you have a different way to do it. And if you have a different way that you get files off of embroidery groups, let me know, because I'm all about finding a better way. So if you found a better way, please let me know, and we can all help each other find that file that we're looking for. Okay, we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.